And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a 3D echo effect. Typical effect for music videos. You can often see that in smaller segments of these. So I've got a dance video clip right here. You will find that via description link below. And I'm going to apply this effect to it. You don't want to overdo it. You only need a small clip, like a second or two. Let me use the cut tool and create that. And now I hold Alt and copy that to video channel 2. And I give that a cut somewhat in the middle as well. So once again, use the cut tool for that, press C, which is the shortcut for it. We need the effect controls and the effects. If you can't see that, just go to Windows and there you'll find it. First up, we'll go to the opacity and lower it to 50% for video channel 2. So now it blends with the original below. Now we'll scale it up. It's a good idea to always scale it up, but you could basically also scale it down. But if you do, be careful. Let me show you this with the next element on video channel 2. So I want to select it as well. Go down with the opacity to 50% to make it blend with the original. And then use the scaling. So I scale it up and it looks fine. But if I scale it down for this clip around 50, you can see you get these borders and the effect doesn't look good anymore. So be careful when you want to scale it down, but scaling up should always work. And you can also see that I've got a slight difference between the first element on video channel 2 and the second. That adds a little bit of variation to this effect. I like to have that. The next step is to use an amboss. Type it into your effects menu and drag and drop it on the first element in video channel 2. It might mess up your exposure a little bit. So just go to the blending mode and switch to color. That solves most of the problems. And now we want to play around a little bit with this amboss. First just crank up the relief and you can already see these greenish and reddish colors. Intensify it with the contrast. If you blend it with the original 100%, it will vanish, so it's a good idea to go up and then go down up to a point where you like it. You can also change the direction, which will give you either this red or this green color to the left and right, so you can adjust the angle by it. I'm fine with this one. Let me just go to amboss and then I press Ctrl C or right click and copy. I'll go to my second element on video channel 2. In effect controls, I'll press Ctrl V or right click paste. Don't forget to change the blending mode to color here as well. And now it has the same effect, but the scaling is preserved. And this is basically it. As I've said, don't overdo it with this effect, so it's a good idea to add it for a second or two in a specific segment of a music video. But in the end, it's always up to you how you use it. And anyway, this is the method that you can use to create it in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.